Alright, this will be a brief video explaining small things that we look for on the control board when the spindle will not start. So if we're looking at this video, we've already shorted here DCM to FWD, and if we to DCM, FWD on VFD1, if it starts, that means there's not a problem with our frequency drive. That means something on the board is telling this circuit not to close, which causes the spindle to start. If there's an alpha tool, two common explanations could be, one, if the start button or start switch within the pendant, 3-button pendant, is not continuous. So if you jump ST1 to ST2, that should start the spindle. If you have a multimeter, you can measure from these two for continuity or for zero or minimal resistance, or you could just jump this and see if the spindle starts. So the process for that would be running the C5 command or going to cuts, and then hit C5 spindle warm-up routine and jump this. If it starts when you jump this, then it likely means the switch is the problem, the block or the wire. The other explanation would be that the signal's not getting there, which is an output signal. So if you go over here to your output side, it should be 5 blocks there. I don't have anything on there, or 5 holes. What we want to do, just to try to make this look a little more practical, here. Let's see if this helps here. Okay. So now we got our outputs. So if you look here, the first hole is 24 volts. And we have outputs 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, and ground. So while the C5 is running, if we measure from output 4 to ground, we should have 5 volts. And we want to measure this in DC. And if we measure from 1 to ground, we should also have 5 volts. So these two things are likely the reason. If we don't have the 5 volts there, may have an issue with the controller card or board or the ribbon cable. If we do, it's likely over here, the start button. Thanks.